Hello and welcome to the channel Shubham at Innovative Youth. Here we discuss the new scientific studies, discoveries, and research from different fields, presented as a news discussion and clear explanation. Our goal is too simple to understand the world through science, evidence, and logic. Hello everyone, let's start. Today we are going to discuss where the secret of human intelligence lies. Is brain only responsible for the human intelligence? What if human intelligence does not begin only in the brain? What if it begins somewhere we almost never look? Yeah, correct. The gut. Now researchers suggest that tiny microbes living inside our stomach may have helped shape the human brain itself. Yeah, it's not metaphoric, it's biologically true. Today we are discussing a groundbreaking study from Northwestern University published in January 2026 that reveals how gut bacteria can directly influence brain development, learning, and even mental health. The researchers doesn't just change how we understand intelligence, it changes where we think it begins. For years, scientists believed the brain worked mostly on its own, but this study asked a bold question. Can microbes in the gut actually shape how the brain functions? To find out, researchers took gut bacteria from different primates. Some came from large brain primates like humans and squirrels and monkeys. Others came from small brained primates such as macaques. These microbes were then transferred into a germ-free mice. Mice born without any gut bacteria at all. After 8 weeks, scientists examined the mice brains. What they found was astonishing. Mice that received microbes from humans and squirrel monkeys showed a higher brain energy levels. Their learnings and memory pathways were stronger. Their brains began functioning in a way similar to primates the microbes came from. In contrast, mice came from macaques. Microbes showed very different brain activity. This means gut bacteria alone rewired brain functions. When scientists examined brain genes, they found that microbes from large brain primates activated genes linked to learning, adaptability, and energy production. Even more surprising, the gene patterns closely matched real human brain patterns. The study also revealed serious things. Mice that received microbes from smaller brain primates shown gene activities linked to autism, ADHD, and bipolar disorder. This suggests gut microbes may not just be associated with these actions, they may actively influence them. What this means? According to the researcher, the right gut microbes early in the life may be essential for healthy brain development. It also suggests that gut microbes may have helped fuel the evolution of our large energy hungry human brains. This discovery reminds us of something powerful. Intelligence may not come from single organ, but from cooperation within the body. By understanding this connection, we may one day prevent disorders, improve mental health, and better understand what makes us human. Sometimes the biggest breakthrough come from places we never thought to look. Now from the news of intelligence, let's move towards the news of light. Yeah. Light has a hidden magnetic effect and it changes. For nearly 2 centuries, scientists believed only half the story about light. We knew light had an electric field, but its magnetic field it was considered too weak to matter. Now research shows that assumption was wrong. Hello everyone. Today's science news comes from the Hebrew University of Jerusalem and challenges one of the oldest ideas in physics, how light interacts with matter. This discovery could reshape optics, magnetism, and even quantum technology. Light is made up of two inseparable parts, an electric field and a magnetic field. Since the 1880s, scientists believed only the electric part mattered during interaction with materials. So, this belief dated back to Michael Faraday's discoveries. The Faraday effect shows that when light passes through a material under a strong magnetic field, the light's polarization rotates. But the assumption was simple. The magnetic field of light itself did nothing. That assumption has now been challenged. Researchers Dr. Amir Kapua and Benjamin Esselstyn found that the magnetic field of light actively contributes to the Faraday effect. Light doesn't just respond to magnetism, it magnetically influences matter in return. Using advanced physics equations, the researchers showed that light's magnetic field creates torque on electron spin, just like a real magnetic field does. When tested on a crystal called terbium gallium garnet, the results were shocking. In visible light, the magnetic contribution reached 17%. In infrared light, it reached up to 70%. Why it matters? This discovery changes how we understand light-matter interaction. It could impact spintronics, optical data storage, magnetic control using light, and quantum computing. Light is no longer just a messenger, it is an active magnetic force. Discovery reminds us something that nature still holds secrets, even in the most familiar phenomena. By revisiting old assumptions, science opens doors to new technology and deeper understanding. Sometimes progress doesn't come from new invention, but from finally seeing what was always there. From the news of light, let's move to the news of statistics. A new statistical method brings prediction closer to reality. What if a prediction could be close but still wrong? And what if accuracy alone was never the real goal? A new statistical method is changing how scientists thinking about the prediction itself. Researchers at Lake University have developed a new statistical approach that improves how prediction align with the real world. This method could impact healthcare, economics, engineering, and social sciences. Traditional prediction model focus on one thing, minimizing error. If predictions are close on an average, the model is considered successful. But sometimes what matters most is agreement. How closely prediction align with reality. They developed a new method called the maximum agreement linear predictor or MALP. Instead of minimizing error, MALP maximizes a measure called the concordance correlation coefficient. This metric checks whether predicted values fall along a perfect 45-degree agreement line with actual data. To test the method, researchers applied it to a body fat data set from 252 adults. The results showed something interesting. Traditional method had slightly lower average error, but MALP predictions align far more closely with real body fat values. This shows an important trade-off in science. When error matters most, traditional method will still work well, but when agreement with reality is critical, such as in medicine or public policy, MLP offers a major advantage. This research reminds us that better science is not always about doing things faster, but doing them more meaningfully.
By focusing on agreement rather than approximation, scientists can build models that reflect the real world more honestly. And what honesty is what drives real progress.
Thanks for watching. We will continue to improve. Please like, subscribe our channel.